Hey friends, today we are going to see about a simple project using Python. We're just going to see about the output of that project. The project name is Privacy Preserving Social Media Data. So we already seen about how to make a CGI script in Python, and also we seen about database connectivity using Python. So here we combine all these things in this project. So now we not going to see about the coding part. We just I just give an idea how to make this project, and so to do this we need to start the WAMP server because for the CGI script we need a WAMP server or any server. So here I'm using a WAMP server. So first I switch on my WAMP. Yes. So to open my project, opening a browser. My project name is PriveRank. So the first file of the project is index.py. This is the first page. So here we're going to see about the three users: the admin, the service provider, and the user. So the duty of admin is he just view the user details and subscriber details and the services posted by the subscribers, and the service provider add the services, post the products, and see about the subscribers, and users can request a new friends and accept the friend request and view the services, and he just gave a like comment to the post provided by the service provider, and also he can view the commands given by other users. Okay, so is it the concept is so simple. Here I'm using just a Python using a CGI script and SQL, that is a WAMP server PHP myadmin, and first we're going to say about the admin. So the username is admin and the password is also admin. So admin can view the user details. So there are three users. Okay, and subscribers. So there are two subscribers, that is movies from US and mobile India, and sorry, there are two services, and the subscribers, the users who are subscribed these services, all the details will be shown and can view by the admin, and the services. So what are the services provided by the subscribers can be viewed by the admin, and also the details of that product. For example, if the movies US posted two movies, Spy Kids and the Boss Baby. So like this we can use the admin page like this, and so for the new user he can register. So here I'm giving a name Anamika and password. So we just select the birth date, and gender, phone number, and the profile picture of that person. So here we can choose. So after register, the user can log in. So here I'm using the same person, Anamika, and the password. Okay, this is the user's page. So the user can customize their credentials, like if he want to if she want to show about his name to the others, she just uncheck that. So if she want to encrypt his username means she need to check it. And if she also don't want to show his show her email and also her gender means you can also um, check it. So here I am just giving the phone number as a private and a submit. Okay, so add friends. So if we know about the friend's name, we just search here. So I'm giving add friends. So the request sent to the Mohana successfully. And request, if she get any request, here it displays. So if you want to accept the friendship means you just click the accept, otherwise reject. Okay, so next, view services. So what are the services provided by the service provider will be displayed here. So if she want to comment about it, she she can comment like a good product, and she can also give the rating. So subscribe. So on the post, so if she want to know about the post by different service providers, she just click and search. So if there are any post provided by them, it will display it here. If she like this post, she can click a like. And the recommended, so here it displays the all the comments which given by other users. Okay, so this is the user part. And at last, service provider. So the username for the service provider is service, password also service, services. So if they want to add any services like movies, mobiles, like it, they can add here. For example, I need to display about a product called our softwares, and the country name, and your service descriptions, like anything. Okay, so we need to post a image. Okay, add services. And from it, the product name. So here I'm using a product name as a Laravel, and a launch year, so new version. Product description used for web design. So image for that product, here I'm giving a river. Okay, and the price of that software is give $80. So the initial rating for that product. So here I'm posted the product successfully and subscribers. So overall subscribe their products will be displayed here. So here Anamika also subscribe the mobile India. So now we encrypted the phone number by checking it, so it displays some special characters because it was encrypted. Okay, so we'll log out again. We log in user using a Mohana account because Anamika sent a request. So going to check the request. So if she want to accept her friendship, so she can click accept, otherwise a reject. So here I am clicking accept, so the friendship is accepted. So and now we search for the services just we posted now. So where is our posted page? Laravel, the here it is. And if you want to any comment on this project, sorry, any product, just comment here. A good software, and also we can give a ratings and subscribe. So that's all about the project. So if you want to extend this project, so you can also make some more concepts in it, and we can combine all the things like SQL and CGI, so and also your Python basic codings, so to this project. um, so if you want to extend the projects like by adding a registration page for all the users, and also if you want to keep the chatting environment for the users, so you can also extend it. It's all in your hand. um, so thank you.